G'day guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung Galaxy tablet. Now this particular one, let's say you've lost your password, your passcode, forgotten your Google account. If you've forgotten your Google account, this won't exactly help you get past there, but if you've forgotten your password, then what we have to do is hold down the home button, the middle button here, volume up and power. So once those three are pressed, keep holding them. Hold them, and from here you can release them. So what we've got to do here is just wait for it to get past this screen, and it will eventually get us to what's called the recovery screen. And at the recovery screen, we can use the buttons on the side and the power button to navigate it. So this is all pretty normal, no command coming up here. Sometimes it may hang at the screen for a little while, other times you do have to push the buttons on the side, so I'm just going to press them slowly. Now, we will give it a minute, but while it's doing that, if you, let's say you do factory reset it and your Google account is still there, it will require that to be entered in if the factory reset protection is enabled before you can proceed to actually use the device. So that is one thing to note there. Let's have a closer look here. So as you can see, we got reboot now. I'm going to use these volume up and down to navigate. So if I put it up to here and go, we'd work our way down to wipe data and factory reset. And from there you'd press power. And from there that would wipe the device. So if I do that, I'll press power. Are you sure you want to do this? We go yes. And then down here, we'll have a bit of info going on. There we go, formatting data, formatting cache, data wipe is complete. And now we can just press the power button. As right now we're at reboot system now. If I press the power button, that will restart the tablet. Once it's restarted from here, it might take up to, it may hang at this screen here for potentially 5 minutes or so. Or the Samsung screen, one of the two. But basically once you've told it to factory reset, leave your device, put it down for 5 to 10 minutes and just wait, and you should be greeted at the welcome screen afterwards. So this is just an alternative method to the previous one that I mentioned, where previously I was mentioning holding power and volume up, where some devices you do have to require to hold the home button, volume up and power. If that doesn't work, or let's say your device is trapped on a passcode and you can't switch it off. To begin with, you'd hold home, power and volume down, and that will force the device to restart. And once it's restarted and turned off, switch your other finger to volume up while still maintaining the button press on the other two buttons, and that should get you into recovery mode to wipe your device. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.